MODV stock analysis and MODV stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Especially looking at Modiv Care, bro, this is so good. Like, not saying this in a way just to boast about it, but you can see beforehand started off with the sell side in March. Then I had like a loss and then a very beautiful W just after the loss, which is, that's how trading works. And I'm not going to sit here just claim that all of my call outs are wins. No, this made a 15-minute chart. This is the 15-minute chart now. It delivered beautifully. And all I'm looking to do next week is just double down because I do think this is very juicy. So the only thing that I would care about was the shift taking place, which I do see it kind of doing so. But yeah, if I don't see the proper shift, man, randomly buying, it's not going to be happening. So no sweat. If you want to learn how I'm making, that's a wrong one. Well, my bad. If you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.